In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Instagram account back to a personal account if you've been using a business or creator account but no longer need professional tools. Switching back to a personal profile can simplify your experience. You'll still keep your posts, highlights, followers, and messages. This change only affects the professional features tied to your account. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look toward the top right and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps all your account controls in one place. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Business Tools and Controls if your account is set as a business, or Creator Tools and Controls if you're on a creator account. The section name will match the type of professional account you currently have. Inside that section, look for Switch Account Type or Account Type, tap it, and you'll see the option to switch to personal account. When you select that, Instagram will show a confirmation prompt explaining what you'll lose access to. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Switch. That's all you need to do. Your account will immediately revert to a personal profile. A quick note on what changes. Once you switch, you'll no longer have Instagram Insights, the professional dashboard, contact buttons on your profile, or ad tools. Any active promotions will stop and future audience analytics won't be collected. Your content does not get deleted and your profile remains visible as usual. Only the professional features are removed. If you ever change your mind, this process is completely reversible. Just follow the same path in settings and privacy, head back into your tools and controls, and choose to switch to a creator or business account again. If you don't see the exact wording, don't worry. Instagram occasionally updates menu labels, but the steps and locations remain essentially the same. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, and consider updating the app if the option isn't appearing. A quick app restart can also help. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.